everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will discuss about how to find units place digit. And in this video, I will discuss about the tricks. These are simple tricks which are helpful in advance. And these tricks are divided into three types. Now, type 1. For example, if any number is in the form of something number and if the digit last is 0 whole power n, where n belongs to natural number, then unit digit becomes 0. And if some number is in the form of something numbers and 1 whole power n, where n belongs to natural number, then unit digit is equals to 1. If something number is in the form of last digit is 5 whole power n, then unit digit is 5. Then same as usual, if it ends with 6 whole power n, then unit digit become 6. So these are the tricks for 0, 1, 5, 6. Now let us see some examples based on the tricks what we have discussed. For example, 1, 5, 6, 4, 1 whole power 1, 2, 9. Then here it ends with 1. So it is in the form of 1 whole power n. Then unit digit becomes 1. Then if a number is in the form of 5, 5, 5, 5 whole power 5, 5, 5, 5, then the unit digit becomes 5, since the unit digit here is 5. And 6, 1, 3, 6, 6 whole power 2, 1, 6. Here it ends with 6. So here also it is 6. Now 10,000 whole power 10,000. Here it ends with 0. So here also it is 0. This is the first type. Now type 2. These are of 4 and 9. Now let us take 4 power 1. Then the value is 4, unit digit. If 4 square, then it is 16. 4 cube, 64. 4 power 4, then the unit digit become 6. Here if you observe that 4, 6, 4, 6, it is repeating after 2 digits. It means from this we can conclude that if 4 power odd is given, then the unit digit becomes 4. If the question is asked in the form of 4 power even, then the unit digit is 6. Same in the case of 9. 9 power 1 is equals to 9. 9 square is equals to 18. 9 square is 81. Then 9 cube ends with 9. 9 power 4 ends with 1. Here also it repeats after 2 digits. So here from this we can conclude that 9 power odd, if something is in the form of, here also, if front there can be number of numbers, but we have to see last digit, that is here 4, here 9. 9 power odd is 9. 9 power even is 1. This is the type 2. Now let us see examples in type 2. Now examples in type 2. If 2, 3, 4 whole power 30. Here it is odd number. If something is in the form of 4 power odd, then the unit digit should be 4. So here the unit digit is 4. If 1,999 whole power 198. Here it is even number. So if something is in the form of 9 whole power even, then the unit digit becomes 1. So here also the unit digit is 1. This is the type 2. Now let us discuss about type 3. Now type 3, it includes the remaining numbers. They are 2, 3, 7, 8. Same here also, it will repeat for 4 numbers, like same as 4 and 9. But here it repeats for 4 numbers. Now let us see why they are repeating for 4 numbers. 2 power 1 is 2, 2 square 4, 2 cube 8, 2 power 4 16. Then unit digit is 6. 3 square, 3 power 1 3, 3 square becomes 9, 3 cube 27. Then here unit digit becomes 81, 3 power 4. 7 power 7 square, the unit digit is 9, that is 49, the unit digit 9. 7 cube 343, the unit digit is 3. Then 7 power 4, the unit digit becomes 1. Same 8, 8, 64, 4. Next 8 cube 2, 6. Then if you do the next 2 power 5, 2 power 6, then same number repeats. So what we have to do is, if something is in the form of 2 or 3 unit digits or 7 or 8 whole power something 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, let us take 1, 2, 3, 4. Then first we have to divide this number with 4. The divisibility rule of 4 is last 2 digits should divisible by 4. So I am taking 34. 4 8s are 32. So remainder is 2. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So if remainder is 2, then if here last digit is 2, then we have to look the unit digit is 4. If remainder is 2 and the unit digit is 3, then the unit digit is 9. Same 9, 4. Now let us see examples in type 3. Now let us discuss 2 examples in type 3. 1, 3, 3, 3 whole power 247. We have to divide this number with 4. As I said, this number we have to last 2 digits. If it is divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. So I am taking last 2 digits. So 3. Then we have to remainder before table. That is, last digit is 3 and here the remainder is also 3. Then it means 3 cube. The 3 cube unit digit is 27. So here the unit is here 7. So unit digit becomes equals to 7. Now let us see another example. 1, 2, 5, 7 whole power 148. Here the last 2 digits are 48. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Here you may have doubt, if 0 comes, what we have to do? If it is 0, then we have to take the digit from 4th place. Here I written 1, 2, 3, 4, right? In that 4 we have to take. Here last digit is 7. So 7 power 4. Then last digit becomes 1. So obviously for this number also the unit digit becomes 1. So these are the 3 types and examples of all 3 types. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.